So, are we packing now, sweetheart?
Slowly, yeah. Yeah, we might as well. They're definitely not biting today. I feel that wind, you know, anytime it blows hard like that, I get nervous of being caught in a rain shower.
Well, the parking lot is not that far. It's there. Oh, it's windy now. Windy. Oh my. Okay, the chair. Oh, the cup, sweetheart.
I have to get
The cell phone. Put the. It got windy. Can you put the cups in the bag? Well, this is definitely going to rain. I think Joey still has some apple cider in her cup. Did JJ got his bobber? Okay, I have these two dogs. Well,